This is my boy Tony. You heard his hamstring, having some fun. Tony, what'd you do?
Did a little bit of the splits at Coachella.
He was at Coachella. He was just busting out on the dance floor. Did the splits. It was all right, and he did it again. He told me, and whack, we got a little tweak in the hamstring. So, where in the hamstring was it?
Right here. It's kind of like on the outside right here.
Yeah, we got some muscle belly of the hamstring right here. All right, when it comes down to a hamstring, there's two things we want to be happy about on Tony's hamstring right here. Is that one, it wasn't near the attachment of the knee, and it wasn't in the proximal hamstring up top. So, muscle belly like this, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get some blood moving, kind of get into the tissue a little bit, move the fascia around. I'm gonna be cupping him. So you have fascia that goes all the way from the bottom of your foot, all the way back behind your ear. And so that stuff's all connected. And it's very interesting how it works. So like when you tweak something like this, the fascia is like a spider web, and then it gets like, you ever see a black widow's nest, how it's just all over the place? Yeah. And so right now what we're doing is like, we're kind of resetting it, and we want like the blood to come to it and help heal it better. Okay. So right now your fascia's all messed up, and now I want to cup it. I want to bring a lot of blood to the muscle, and I want to kind of work a range of motion going like shortening the hamstring, lengthening the hamstring, shortening, lengthening the hamstring, to kind of remind it that, hey, we're supposed to move like this, and for this injury, kind of be like, hey, we want to just get the range of motion back. And we're not going to cup it too crazy. We're just going to get a nice little, you all right?
Yeah.
Cool. We just want to get some blood to that area right there. So after we work on this, like you'll do like a couple stretches, and you'll just feel the difference between your right hamstring to your left hamstring to your right. Okay. So I'm gonna let this sit for like a minute or two, and then I'm just gonna grab his heel. I'm just gonna boop, boop, boop. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab Tony's ankle right here, and I'm gonna allow his hamstring to go through the range of motion. So why should we stretch when the cups are on? Because it's holding the muscle like this in place. And so when I shorten the hamstring, it all comes together, and then I lengthen it, and it still holds it together. It's just terrific right here. Tony's hips are up, which is gonna give me a nice, I can feel this working right here. It's gonna give me a nice isometric contraction in the hamstring. You got no pain, right? Nope. Yeah, just chill there for about 15 more seconds, and you'll come down, take 30 seconds off, and then we'll do it again. This hamstring is engaged and active right now. Boom. He's gonna use this as like something to hang on to. We're just gonna do an RDL body weight. So he's gonna get a nice relaxed knee right here. Try and keep this back leg as straight as you can, like you're trying to kick somebody. That's how you do a perfect RDL. And then pivot, yeah, do it again. And then pivot in, yep, and then up. You can feel it back there.
Oh yeah, I really feel it.
Yeah, and then try and pivot. But if you have any pain, don't do it. Do you have pain or no?
No, it's just tight.
Yeah, right there, yep, up. All right, the next exercise, what Tony's gonna do is he's gonna sit right here. He's gonna kind of move back so his knee kind of hangs off this edge right here. And with his heel, he's gonna drive into the bench. This is gonna be a nice isometric kind of curl, and it's gonna really activate his hamstring right here. And we're just looking to establish isometric strength. So he's gonna go like this. I'm gonna say push. He's gonna push his knee into the bench. He's gonna hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, pushing about 70%. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then he's gonna relax. Feels any pain, he's gonna stop. The goal is to just strengthen this puppy up. So let's get it, Tony. Yeah, on you, just go ahead. Yeah, so you're gonna drive that heel, yeah, and you should feel the hamstring. About 10 seconds, and then take about 15 seconds off, and then you're gonna do 4 rounds. All right, now I'm gonna put Tony just through some light movements, some soldier walks, some marches, just some stuff to see how his hamstring feels. Maybe get into a very, very light jog. No pain is good. We progress, and that's it. So right now we're just gonna do some light marches. Just really good for the hamstring, nice and easy. We're not kicking it out, we're just light march. Oh, ladies and gents, look at this soldier marching.
I feel like Kendrick.
This has more to do with the hip flexor, but we're always getting better. March backwards. A little knee grab, knee tuck. Just some quick ankle pops like this. Moving a little bit. Nice, easy